Is your mainframe under increasing pressure? As transactions on the mainframe increase, accessing VSAM data at the back end causes numerous business problems, increasing CPU costs, lengthening batch elapse times, increasing online wait times. But what if your CIO knew that it is ridiculously simple to cut the time on a critical mainframe VSAM process from 120 minutes to 13? They would do it, right? Suppose marketing knew you could increase transaction throughput by up to 400%. Data center operations teams would certainly also welcome SLA improvement and a 40% reduction in DASD storage. But that's nothing compared to how happy your finance organization will be with the savings of between 20 to 70% in CPU time in your VSAM applications that lets them defer a multi-million-dollar upgrade. Exactly how simple is this, you ask? It's ridiculously simple. While VSAM may not exploit the latest mainframe capabilities you've paid for, by inserting one line into your VSAM-defined statement, you can enjoy the performance gains mentioned earlier without the need to change the application itself. Ready to start seeing these improvements? BMC CompuWare offers a free assessment of your VSAM applications. We'll quickly identify the VSAM files where IAM can produce the most spectacular results. Typically, these are files associated with an industry's most heavily used processing solutions. A more efficient mainframe is just around the corner, and it's easier to achieve than you think. Contact BMC CompuWare for your free assessment. Let us help you reduce your mainframe environment costs. Register now to receive a complimentary VSAM assessment.